Hey guys, come on into my kitchen. I'm gonna be making the best, oh my goodness, the best, cheesiest oxtail pizza. Oh my goodness. And here we go. So these are all the ingredients that you'll need to make your own oxtail pizza. Got the oxtails here draining for any excess liquid and the good old meat pot liquor, yeah, because I'm going to save that for some good old rice. Y'all know how I do it. So we're going to take the aluminum side, shiny side up. We're going to get two nice pieces because we're going to have some of that soft, the large soft tortilla shells. And we're going to put some extra virgin olive oil on both sides of the shell so that when I lay it down on that aluminum foil, it won't stick, y'all. Oh yeah. And we're gonna start layering up this goodness, and you guys just follow along because I'm gonna show you an easy, quick way to get you some good old oxtail pizza. Oh yeah, made Sheila's Creations way. Just check out how I do my ingredients. So as y'all see, the first thing I put on there was the picante sauce. And now I'm taking my slicer and I'm thinly slicing the mozzarella cheese because we want to use that block cheese because it's going to be, oh, such melty goodness. And when we get done with that block cheese, y'all see all those other fixings over there. We're just going to add them as we go. We got some ricotta cheese and we're going to add that Parmesan cheese to that ricotta cheese and mix that up. We have about a cup of the ricotta cheese. We're not going to use the whole mixture. We're only going to put some droplets on the pizza once we get it all mixed up. And then after we do that, we're going to add a little black pepper, a little sea salt. We're going to cut up some thinly sliced slices of tomato. And we're going to also take some extra virgin olive oil and drizzle it on top once we get those oxtails on that pizza, y'all. See that? And it's a lot of oxtail meat that's going on that pizza. We ain't skipping on the oxtail. So if y'all making this dish, don't skip on the oxtail. And this oxtails, they are so tender. If y'all saw my previous video, you saw exactly how I made it, how I seasoned it. And just do the same thing. But go check out my recipe on how I prepare my oxtails. Oh yeah, it's a part of the February meals. Day 28, the last day of February is the day. And you can check the playlist that I have. Also, I am sprinkling some Romano dry cheddar cheese on there as well. So those are pretty much all the ingredients. I'm going to top it off with some shredded mozzarella cheese. It's going to go in the oven at 375 for a total of 20 minutes. And then the last 2 or 3 minutes, we're going to turn the broiler on. And then we're going to pull those babies out of the oven. And we're going to sit them at the table. Look at this. Look at this. We're going to sit them at the table because we're going to be ready to mukbang. And I want y'all to go and check out this mukbang. PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, and PromoSTK, Sheila's Creations Way.